Hello friend, Yam Lisa, welcome to Miniature House. Today, I'll build Pink Princess Castle with bedroom, rainbow stair from cardboard and clay.
Yeah!
Let's make a room tinkling emulsion paper. Perfect!
Aha!
I will make a slide out of pink foam. I will add pearls to make the slide look more luxurious. I don't know if you are, but I can't resist the tiny pearls. They are so sparkly and pretty.
Ooh!
The main part of the slide will be made of cardboard and emulsion paper. Now we just need to attach the parts of the slide together. Of course, the princess can't do without a gorgeous dress to go to the prom with the prince, right? I was inspired by Cinderella's dress. For the skirt part, I will use multicolored chiffon so that the dress will change color when moved. The dress will be the main blue color, combined with some accessories like pearl belt and tinsel. The diamond band will make the dress more luxurious. A sparkling pearl necklace will make the princess become more beautiful. Now it's time for the main part of the castle. I will make one side of the tower to be a shelf. The shelf will have 3 compartments, enough for the princess to keep her shoes and bags. I will decorate the shelf with a chain of gold beads. It's pretty cheap and pretty. You can find it in any stationery store.
Wow!
Roll the piece of cardboard to form a round tower block. Hello, I have 1, 2, and 3 windows in the castle. Now, let's decorate it more like a castle. Can you guess what I'm drawing? Actually, I don't even know what it's called.
Ooh!
Oh, 4 windows. Let's make the roof of the tower together. So lovely. The princess needs an attractive scent, so I'll make her a perfume. The princess has a dress, a castle, a perfume, now she needs a pair of heels. princess.
I want to go to the prom with my friend. This bag is perfect.
Let's make a bed so that the princess will have a place to sleep when she comes back from the prom. I wonder what she will think about the heart pillow.
I love this bed. But I would love to have an extra crown.
Now the princess is missing a staircase for her room. Pink, purple, deep blue, light blue, green, yellow, orange, and red.
La 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 la. Where's my friend?
Let's take a look at our results. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any ideas for your next home, let me know in the comments. Miniature House love you. See ya!